Exercise number 1, knee tucks. Let's perform this exercise for the next 30 seconds. Ready? Knee tucks are an excellent choice for targeting the core muscles, making them fantastic for burning a significant amount of calories. When you perform this exercise, you'll not only strengthen and develop your abdominal muscles, but also work on building a well-shaped core. A stronger core can enhance your overall physique, helping you achieve a leaner midsection as you lose fat. Perfect. Exercise number 2, Russian twists. For the next 30 seconds, we'll focus on this movement. Russian twists are widely regarded as one of the best exercises for targeting the abdominal muscles, and they're especially effective for building strength in this region. These twisting motions engage all of your abdominal muscles, including the obliques and the six-pack muscles, making them incredibly valuable not just for burning fat, but also for achieving a toned waistline. Great work! Exercise number 3, mountain climbers. This time 40 seconds, let's do it. This dynamic, high-intensity exercise boosts your heart rate, strengthens your core, shoulders, and legs, and improves coordination and stamina. It's perfect for burning stubborn fat and revealing toned, defined abdominal muscles. Almost there. Keep pushing with focus and determination. Fantastic. Exercise number 4, squats. All right, we are going for 40 seconds. Ready? Squats are a versatile, powerhouse exercise that engages multiple muscle groups, including the glutes, core, thighs, back, and calves. They're fantastic for enhancing overall stability, improving joint mobility, and building lean muscle mass. Squats also rev up your metabolism, making them incredibly effective for weight loss and reducing stubborn belly fat. Wonderful job! Exercise number 5, elbow plank. 40 seconds on the timer. Elbow planks are a highly effective core exercise that targets your abs, shoulders, and back. This exercise helps build muscle in these areas, and since muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue, even at rest, it can boost your resting metabolic rate. By incorporating planks into your routine, you'll not only strengthen your core, but also support overall fat loss over time. Almost there. Just a few more seconds. And we're done. Hope you're feeling awesome. Make sure to give these exercises a shot every day. They're quick but pack a powerful punch when it comes to boosting your energy and keeping you motivated. Did you enjoy this workout? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like more videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to keep your health journey on track.